Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Anas. Today I will present the result of the presentation I have made with the effect of minimum wages on reduction of open unemployment levels in Indonesia. Here let me explain a little before explain short. During 2003 until 2018, the level of open unemployment in Indonesia experienced a fluctuating trend. In 2003, the TPT of 7.47%, then increased in 2005 to reach 11.4%, then decreased to 5.94% in 2040, but increased again in 2050 to 6.80%. TPT as of August 2080 was 5.34% of the total 131.1 million people in the workforce of or 7 million people. Picture 1. So that during 2003 until 2018, inflation and TPT had a downward trend. In 2005, due to the increase in the price of fuel oil or BBM, inflation jumped to 70.11%, and TPT also increased. The reverse finding occurred in 2010 and 2040, when inflation rose, TPT decreased. Change in the unemployment trend is thought to be the availability of employment at the time. This needs future research. It is now from picture 2. Economic growth and TPT experience the opposite trend. Economic growth trend to increase while TPT decrease. Sector contributing to Indonesian economic growth are the manufacturing, construction, trade, information and communication industry. Increased investment increase that enter the employment and reduce unemployment. Picture 3. So the minimum wage for works experiencing an upward trend. The increase in the minimum wage is followed by a decrease in unemployment in Indonesia. A reasonable minimum wage can be a pull factor for the labor force to enter the labor market. Conclusion: inflation, economic growth, and minimum wage for works have an influence on the level of open unemployment. The result of multiple linear regression indicate the minimum wage as a very large variable is effect on reduction the unemployment rate. Inflation positively affect the level of open unemployment, while economic growth does not affect the level of open unemployment. An increase in inflation will increase unemployment. Control inflation has a good effect on the economy. Corporate profit increase and increase investment. Increased investment can explain employment, and increase in the minimum wage that is applied to meet the living needs of work will increase household consumption and saving. A good wage level will improve the welfare of the community. The government should implement a wage application policy that is suitable for the needs of the nation would live. Increase economic growth, so in increase in output per capita, so that it will increase the prosperity of the community. The government is expected to continue to increase economic growth by expanding employment so that the expanding workforce can be absorbed. Thank you for attention. Apologize for the inconvenience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.